As a brand new factory, GatorTrack is a leading manufacturer of high-quality tracks and rubber pads for a wide range of heavy equipment, including excavators, loaders, dumpers, asts, and robots. Our state-of-the-art facility is equipped with all brand new toolings for most sizes of tracks, allowing us to meet the diverse needs of our customers with precision and efficiency. Our journey has been one of perseverance and growth, and we are thrilled to see the positive impact of our efforts. The success of GatorTrack is a testament to the dedication and expertise of our team, as well as the support of our valued customers and partners. We are grateful for the opportunity to contribute to the advancement of the heavy equipment industry and are committed to continuing our pursuit of excellence in all that we do. As we look to the future, GatorTrack remains focused on driving innovation and delivering superior products that empower our customers to achieve their goals with confidence. We are excited about the possibilities that lie ahead and are dedicated to further expanding our product offerings and enhancing our manufacturing capabilities to better serve the needs of our customers. In conclusion, GatorTrack is more than just a factory. We are a team of passionate individuals united by a common goal: to provide exceptional tracks and rubber pads that exceed expectations. Our commitment to quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction sets us apart, and we are proud to be at the forefront of the industry. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey, and we look forward to continuing to serve you with excellence and integrity.
FindSupply, a completely non-profit foreign trade service platform.